Do you see the frog?
No.
Where did it go?
Wait. Stop right here.
Okay.
I think that's it.
Where?
Look.
Where?
I think it's these things.
Hiccup. Ah! No, that's not a frog.
Oh, those are grasshoppers.
I see a grasshopper.
What
Get it. Get it.
is that?
Where is it? What are you going to get?
What is that? That's poop.
Ew.
That's poop.
No, don't eat poop.
Hiccup, do it.
Oh.
Yeah, you did.
Okay. Hiccup, did the frog go away? Come on. Look for the frog. Is there any more frogs? Where did the frog go? Or just take a nap, you know.
Oh no, there's fish in our yard.
There's fish?
Yeah, look,
What?
there's fish.
Oh no, that's a frog! Ah! It's a frog! That's the frog. Oh, gross, that creeped me out, Jeron, really bad.
I thought that was a fish. He's excited.
Where did it go?
He's gonna eat it.
I don't think he'll really eat it. I think it kind of freaks him out. Oh my gosh, is it still there? Hiccup! Okay, leave him alone. Leave him alone. Hiccup, leave him alone. He's scared. No, I don't want him to eat a frog.
Why?
Because it's sad. Look at the little frog. All
Can I
right.
keep it?
No. All right, Hiccup, we're all done. You scared him. Okay. At least make it a fair fight. No.
I think he's dead from eating
Hiccup,
squirrel.
leave it. Oh, I think Hiccup ate it. Oh, oh. Don't eat it. No, Hiccup, no, put it down. Go, no, Hiccup, put it down. Gross. Hiccup, yuck, 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 yuck. Leave it alone. Okay, I think it's alive still. Ew, ew, ew. Hiccup, come on. Hiccup, come on. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God.
I know, it was funny when you were chasing it. It's not funny if it's dead. Hold on, I'm gonna try to flip it over. I think he's just acting scared. You're gonna do it? Just see if you can barely. I got Hiccup. Just see if you can flip him over so he can. I think he's probably scared.
He's scared to death.
Hiccup, why'd you do that poor frog?
Wait.
Okay.
He's still alive.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Just kind of flip him over so I can see him hop away.
No, I don't want to flip him over. I'm going to get scared. If I flip it over, I can keep it. Deal?
No, I'll give you $1 though.
$1,000?
No, one.
All of your money?
Jeron, you're not even supposed to be out here. We're saving a frog.
That frog is scared.
Okay. Here, you hold the phone. I'll flip him over. Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Come on, little guy.
No.
Oh, Hiccup.
No.
You scared this poor frog.
Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
It's okay, little guy. Oh. He's not moving. I think he broke all of his legs from jumping too much.
Yeah. No, he just seems okay. I think he's just really, really scared.
Like, I think he's so scared that he won't move.
All right, so maybe we should leave him alone and hope he's not here in the morning.
Wait, he'll. Let me. I'm just gonna pet it for a little, see if that will calm it down.
Okay.
Can you let Hiccup go away for a little?
Yeah, I'm gonna let Hiccup
Cause-
inside. Here, you hold this. So you have a light. I'm gonna bring Hiccup to sleep.
Shh. It's okay, I'm here. He's going inside. Shh, you're whoa. You're okay, little frog. You can go hop away now. Go. You can go hop away. He's going inside. He's going inside, buddy.
Do you think the light is scaring him?
No. Wait. No, it's because of Hiccup, because he just now moved just a little, because he was. I think it's from the grass is too tall.
Okay, well, let's see if I'll pick him up and move him. I hope he doesn't have any guts. I can't do guts. Oh, Come on, frog.
Yes.
Oh, look.
Oh,
He's kind
he's
of cute.
precious.
Take a video of him. Do you see him?
Yeah.
He
Oh,
is precious. Look at you, little guy. Let's go.
I think he's a kid.
You think it's just a baby still?
Yeah.
Let's go take him across the street where there's no hiccups.
No.
Okay.
I got a good place.
Oh, that's really blinding me. Hope you're not taking a video of me at all.
I'm just.
Let's go put him in Maya and Toby's yard. That's a safe place.
Yeah, but he might go over there sometime. Let's put him over here.
Over where?
Like over here.
On there.
On there where he can just hop away. Like on here.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, let's back up so he can. All right, let's see.
Him walk away.
All right, let's.
Aww.
I'm zooming in, but let's back up. Yay!
Zoom in more.
Oh, well, when I see him. Okay.
Oh, I kind of don't want him.
No, back up. We want him to go back to nature.
Right. I just want him to. I think he wants to stay with us.
I don't think he ever wants to stay with us. I
Oh,
think
he's not going there.
I know, because we're scaring him. Let's back up so he doesn't even know we're here. And we'll come back. Okay.
Until we can only do.
Is he going? No.
Oh,
No, he's still there. Okay.
oh.
But I think he can move now.
Well, I think he's not scared of us. He's scared of the dog.
I know, but I think the light is scaring him too.
I just I got something else with light.
You want me to push pause?
Yeah.
Okay, tell me. Okay, all right, Jeron, I think you should say a prayer for him, and then we'll just have to come check on him in the morning.
He's
Okay?
standing there.
Can you say a prayer for him?
Oh, he's moving.
Okay,
He's actually moving.
all right.
Oh, I think he needed help.
You think so?
Yeah, it needs help. I think he...
Oh, there goes! Yay! Say, run free, little frog. Okay, let's go. It's way past your bedtime.
No,
No,
he's still there though.
I know, but
He's like...
Jeron, he's scared to hop big because last time he got almost eaten by a dog. All right, let's go.
Fine.
We're done.
I think he's not scared.
Say
of
goodnight.
us. Good night.
Your stink pot.
I
Hurry up, go. Hiccup's probably not happy with us.